Hey everyone, so in this video we'll see how you can change your Airtel Xstream Fiber plan online, and you can do that easily using the Airtel Thanks app. So let's see what all you need to do to get it done. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the Play Store. This is if you're on an Android device, and then search for Airtel Thanks app. So you'll find this app that says Airtel Thanks, Recharge, Bill Pay, UPI and other stuff. So all of that is included in this app. So you need to install this. Okay, so once that is done, we'll go ahead and open the app. And then it's going to ask you for certain permissions. Now the permissions thing is something personal, that is your personal choice, and you can allow or deny depending on your choice. So I'm going to skip this page for now and get to the next page. And after the permissions thing, you'll land on this page, which is the login page. So here you'll have to enter your registered mobile number. So I have an Airtel number itself, so I'm going to enter that number and I should get an OTP on the same. So after you have entered your number, click on send OTP. And if you've given the right permissions to the app, then the OTP will get auto authenticated. If not, you'll have to manually enter the OTP, but that's the process. So I've skipped a few pages in between, and then I've landed on the home page of the app, which is showing me my prepaid connection related information over here. So this is about my mobile phone, and now if I swipe to the left, I should be able to see my broadband related information on the right. So let me swipe this section to the left. Okay, so here's the section around my Airtel Xstream Fiber connection, and now to be able to get into the account, I'll need to click on this box. So let me just do that. Alright, so once you're inside, you'll see a lot of options like bills and usage, my plan, data balance, etc, etc. So there are two places from where you can get to the page where you can change your plan. One is via the my plan option, and the other one is from the help and support section. So I'll show you both the things, like both the places from where you can get to that page. So first we'll take a look at the my plan option, which will show you your current plan and will also let you change your plan. So let's click on this option. Okay, so on this page you will see your current plan on the top, and below that you'll see the other plans that are available for you. So there's an option to view more plans, and once you click on that, you'll be able to see some more options. So these are the different plans that are available for me right now. For some reason I can't see the $499 per month plan in here. I'm not sure why. If you know the reason why, then please add it in the comments section below. I see that this is a popular question while changing plans to a lower plan. People are not able to see the $499 per month plan in the Thanks app. So if you know anything around it, please post it in the comment section below. But this is one way in which you can get to the plan changing section. The other way is from the help and support section. So let me go back to the previous page. So here, if you navigate to the help and support, now under the top queries you will see something called as I want to change my bill plan. Now if you click on this option, it will again take you to the previous page where we had seen the current plan and the available options for the same. So yeah, these are the two ways from where you can change your plan. So let me click on this. So after doing that, I'm back to the page where I can see my current active plan and the other options that are available for me. So currently I'm on the $999 per month plan, which is excluding GST. It has a speed of up to 200 Mbps, and I'll be downgrading to $799 per month. This is again excluding GST. and this time I'll be getting a speed up to 100 Mbps. So there are a few savings options in this if you go for a 6 monthly plan or for your annual plan. So we'll check those options as well. And please note that this saving thing is only applicable when you're actually changing a plan. So let me click on select and we'll see what happens next. And before doing that, I do not need this extreme box, so I will uncheck this and then click on 799 per month. Alright, so here it's letting me select the duration for my plan. So either I can go for monthly rental or 6 months rental or 12 months rental. And if you notice, for 6 and 12 months there is a little bit of discount included, but for now I will go for the monthly rental option. So once you select the duration of your choice, you need to click on continue. And next it will show you the comparison between your two plans. So it's showing me that I lose some benefits if I switch from the 999 plan to a 799 plan, but I've already reviewed that and I'm okay with it, so I'll click on yes, proceed. So after doing that, you'll be shown the benefits that are included in your new plan. So verify if all of the things look okay to you. And as I mentioned before, I don't need the 4K extreme box, so I'm skipping this option, but if you want this, you can go for this as well. So I'll just skip this for now, and I will click on continue. And that was basically the last step. So I am currently on this page where it shows awesome, your plan change request has been submitted successfully, and it also mentions that your request will be processed within 2 hours. So it usually doesn't take exactly 2 hours, it's done much faster. So let's just wait for some time and then we'll check what happens next. So it's been a while, and I think the plan change should have happened. So you can verify that by going back to the My Plan option, and here you will see your current active plan on the top. Alright, so earlier it was 999 per month, and currently we can see that it's switched to 799 per month. So my plan change is done, and that's basically how you can change your Airtel Xstream Fiber plan with the Thanks app. So if you have any questions around this process or in general around the plans that are offered by Airtel, please post those in the comments section of this video and I will answer them as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel.